Hello. In this tutorial, we will take a look at how do we create a file using PowerShell, how do we copy a file, and how do we move a file, as well as how do we delete the file. Let's fire up PowerShell and let's understand the command that helps us to create a file. To do that, all you need to do is use new item, just like how we saw it for the folder. I would like to create a file under C drive PowerShell examples. I'm just gonna copy that path and I'm gonna put in the file that I would like to create. In this example, I'm just gonna create a simple text file and I'm gonna hit enter, and as you can see, it has created a text file. Now, of course, we are not adding the content right now. We will take a look at that in later videos, but this gives an idea how do we create a file. Not only text files, you can actually go ahead and also create a document file. As you can see, it has created. You can also create PowerPoint files. It is also created. You can also create Excel files. It can create it, as you can see. And this is how you can create a file using PowerShell. Now, let's understand, once we have created the file, how do we actually copy a file to a different folder? I do have another folder which is called PowerShell examples copy. We do not have anything in here right now. So let's go ahead, fire up the PowerShell and continue our command that helps us to copy a file from one location to another location. So to do that, all you need to do is write copy item path. So this is where my file is. I'm gonna select the text file which I would like to copy, and then a location where I would like to copy. So this is the folder in which I would like to copy the file. Let's hit enter. Let's go back, and as you can see, the file is certainly copied. Let me select this and delete it. Now let's understand, how do we move a file? So again, moving a file deletes it from the source after copying it to the target. So let's understand that command. So to do that, all you need to do is just keep everything as is, and instead of copy, all you will write is the move. Now as I execute this command, you will see the sample file text would go away from the source. As you saw, it just went away and it is actually moved to the target, right? So let me just take it back over here. And now let's understand, how do we delete a file using PowerShell? To delete the file, all you need to do is just type in remove item and then the path and the file that you would like to delete. Let me go ahead and copy this. I'll put it in the path, and I would like to delete the text file. And there you have it. As you saw, the file is deleted. I hope this simple tutorial helped you to understand how do we create a file, how do we copy a file, move a file, and then finally, how do we delete a file. I thank you for watching the video.